Alright, it's time to unbox. See, as you can see here, we just got it today. Just arrived, and I am so excited. Open this up. Okay. Sure doesn't hit any of my fingers. Alright. And moment of truth. Nice Musiclily box. So let's take that out. Alright, let's see what's inside. Okay, here we go. Alright. Now that looks pretty impressive. Okay, let's see what else is in here. So you have the tremolo bar. This tremolo bar. And this is the actual bridge, 52.5 millimeters. I'm not sure, 52? Yeah. CNC machined saddles and a brass block. Now this is the thing that makes this an upgrade. It's that brass block. Nice weight. Nice weight. And you can see it's beveled inside so that you get that knife edge. It's beveled. Let's see what else is in here. Alright, that's pretty much it. You have your standard screws, which also have a notched edge. Right here, if you can see that. There. So that the beveled knife edge will stay in place, so that's pretty good. And you have your standard springs. You got a Musiclily pick and your spring claw and Allen wrench is all in here. So yep, there it is, folks. So far it's looking pretty good. Let's compare this with what comes stock with the PRS SE. So far, I like what I'm seeing. I happen to have here, this is my PRS 509, which has an original PRS bridge over here. The ones that come with the core models. Now let's zoom in a little bit so that we can take a look. Alright, let's get a closer look at this. So this is the original PRS core model. And let's just put it a little bit side by side with this one. So you can see the bridge is fairly close. And in terms of how it looks, I mean, quality of the machining looks pretty darn close, if you ask me. The only thing that's different, I believe, is that the original PRS ones have grooves under the or slots here for the adjustment screws here, while this one does not have any grooves underneath. But let's see, this one is using a brass block, like I said earlier. This PRS also uses a brass block underneath. So I'm thinking it could be pretty close, maybe, who knows, but we'll find out. Okay, so also for the purpose of comparison, I have here my Custom 24 SE. Now these saddles also came from an SE. It came from a different guitar. I just put it in because it looked nice. It's supposed to be gold colored saddles, but these are SE saddles nonetheless. Okay, so again, this is the original saddle that this guitar came with. I just replaced it. So these, mind you, these are brand new, because as soon as I got this guitar just early this year, I just swapped out the saddles for the gold ones just because they look cool. But yeah, these are the SE ones. Now, if you compare that with this again, the look, the overall look of the saddle itself is very high quality in comparison. It actually looks more like the core tremolo or the core bridge than this one. Yep. Right. So that's a comparison with the SE. Okay, now as we can see here, it's using a steel, I don't know what this is. I think this is zinc alloy block. Later we're going to compare the weight of the two and see if there's any major differences, but this is how it looks. So let's zoom in a little bit. So that is the zinc block, and then this one is the brass block. Okay, so we're going to be replacing this tremolo with this one, with the brass block.